Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, we are going to look into the live trading video which we did today in Banknifty Options, and once again to let you know, this is trend analysis which we are doing. Nothing but we are drawing the trend lines and identifying the direction of market and trading in the direction of the market. So before going forward, this is a channel for the working people. If at all you are not subscribed still, I recommend you to subscribe and watch all the videos. There are videos of bank nifty options, equities, futures, commodities, live trading, trainings, lots of things available. So don't miss this golden opportunity. You can watch all the channels, all the videos. Fine friends. So before going forward, just wanted to give you this code. This was sent to me by one of my friend. After the pandemic is over, that is this corona which you're talking about, if you don't come out with a new skill, if you don't come out with a new plan for your future, or if you are not having more wisdom and a vision for your life, then remember this: you never had a time problem, you have an excuses problem. Yes friends, don't give excuses. It's high time. You will not get this opportunity. I am seeing this kind of opportunity for the first time, where we are sitting at home, and many of you might be getting salary, many might not be getting salary, but many of them are sitting at home and they are having lots of free time. So don't have excuses. Please find a method to increase your knowledge, or at least learn something new, learn something fresh. It will really help you in the future. If at all you ask me, I would say learn and master stock market trading, because by the time next recession comes, you will be in a very positive situation. You will be more having an upper hand over your finances. Okay, so you can see that salaries have been stopped, many incomes have been stopped, but trading income has not stopped. In fact, trading income has increased. So that is why I'm recommending, please do start trading, and then also you can help and tell your friends as well. Okay, so let us look into today's live trading video. So today was a very clear decision, because almost everybody were able to guess the direction of the market, and almost everybody were able to make profit. Okay, so if you see all the time frames, it's giving a very clear indication of the market is having a downtrend. Okay, so I'm really happy that today almost everyone were able to guess correctly and make money in stock market. So it's clear cut. We are going to sell the call option. In case if you want to buy, you can buy the put option. Otherwise, if you're selling, you can sell the call option. So I have sold 2 lot of bank nifty, and you can see, yes, it has been sold at 533. So around 2 o'clock, you can see my profit is around 5,000 rupees, and I have kept my stop loss as well immediately as soon as I place my order. And since bracket orders, OC orders are not there, it doesn't mean that we should not trade. Okay, so end of the day, you can see that yeah, so our sell at 533, and then we bought back at 317. This happened at 3 o'clock, friends, because auto square off, and then there's nothing that we can do. All the intraday orders will be squared off at 3 o'clock as per upstock. Zerodha is doing at 320. Okay, so you can see that it is completed. My stop loss has been cancelled, and that it has been auto squared off. So to the profit which we made is 8,600. So as soon as we complete, it's our duty to enter. So I'm just calculating approximate brokerage and putting only 8,500. So good way to start April, and it's weekend, and you can see that already we have made 15,500 with an returns of 7.75% returns. You put in bank, you get only 6 to 7% for a year. We are doing this in a month, not even a month, it's only 2 days, and we're doing it. And let me tell you, I am one of the proudest person today, because I got almost close to 3 lakh rupees screenshots. Okay, what I mean by the 3 lakh screenshot is that individual people, those who made money. Say for example, I made today 8,500. There's another person who made 40,000, one person who made 20,000, one person who made 60,000, one person 5,000, 4,000. So you can see my WhatsApp status also, I'm kept on updating. So like that, I got almost close to 3 lakh rupees. So I was really happy that I reached a level where I'm able to generate profits of around 3 lakhs for people. And I was really happy seeing this. Usually I used to not calculate the total profit, but today, just because we had so much of time, I was calculating and sitting, and I found that it was giving, people are able to make so much of profit. I'm really happy and proud for you also. Okay friends, so saying this, I would like to conclude telling Any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. You know my number, it's 8095-876525. Have a nice weekend, and also don't forget to study this weekend. You have lots and lots of study material which I already sent to you. Please do study, and any doubts you can always WhatsApp me. Thank you and have a nice day.